You feel tired. You feel behind. You feel like everyone is moving faster than you, and deep inside a small voice keeps telling you that you're far from your goals. But the truth is the opposite. You are not far behind. You are not lost. You are not starting from zero. You are closer than you think. This is MindForge, where broken minds become unstoppable. Most people quit right before their breakthrough, not because they are weak, but because they cannot see how near they actually are. Your mind shows you a long road, a long climb, a long journey, and it tells you the finish line is miles away. But you're not looking at your progress. You don't see how much you have survived, how many storms you have walked through, how many battles you've already won just by still being here. You think you're starting fresh, but you are starting with experience, lessons, scars, strength, and growth that others don't have. You're closer than you think because the hardest part is already done. You didn't quit. You didn't stop, you didn't give up, and that alone puts you ahead of millions. Here's the realization: progress is invisible until it becomes obvious. Growth doesn't always feel like growth. Change doesn't always feel like change. Most of the time it's quiet, slow, hidden like a seed under the soil. Nothing looks different on the surface, but everything is changing underneath. And then one day it breaks through, in one moment, in one breakthrough. Your moment is coming. You're closer than you think. Now let's move to action. First, look back, not forward. Think about who you were last year. Think about the battles you survived. Think about the habits you fixed. That is progress. That is proof. That is your sign that you're not stuck, you're moving. Second, reduce your focus to today, not the full journey, not the entire mountain, just today. Improve one thing today, take one step today, win one small battle today. Because small steps stack fast, and every step pulls your dream closer. Third, talk to yourself like someone who believes in you. Tell yourself, I'm closer than I think, I'm not stopping, my time is coming. Your mind listens, your body follows, your actions shift. And now listen carefully, life doesn't warn you before your breakthrough. It doesn't say get ready, something big is coming. Breakthroughs show up suddenly on the days you're tired, stressed, frustrated, or ready to quit. That's where everything changes for the ones who keep going. You are that person. You've come too far to stop now. You've survived too much to slow down now. You've grown too much to doubt yourself now. Keep moving, keep fighting, keep believing, because your breakthrough is not far. It's right in front of you. One more push, one more day, one more step. Your future is waiting. Go claim it.